Here at the Schinzel-Giedion Syndrome Foundation, there are several ongoing clinical research projects open for enrollment. Each project aims to better understand how SGS progresses and affects each child, so that families may have more information on what to expect and to develop better standards of care and treatment options for the future. To enable this research, we have created a biorepository for children with SGS. A biorepository is a specialized facility that collects and stores de-identified blood samples from children with SGS and their families. After a sample is donated, the blood cells are stored and can be accessed by researchers from around the world. Researchers are able to use these cells in a number of ways, such as reprogramming the blood cells into stem cells. Stem cells are able to become many different kinds of cells in the body, allowing us to study different organ systems that SGS affects, such as the brain, lungs, and immune system. Because SGS is such a rare neurodevelopmental disease, there's still so much to be learned about how having this condition affects the health and development of each child. By collecting blood samples from children with SGS, their cells can be used to support vital research, helping us understand how having a change in the SETBP1 gene affects how the cells develop, function, and cause symptoms. This research will help us improve the medical care for children with SGS and develop better treatment options. The biorepository is currently open to individuals in the United States with a genetically confirmed diagnosis of SGS, as well as their parents and siblings. To have received a genetic confirmation, your physician or genetic counselor would have ordered a test that used your child's blood or saliva to evaluate DNA and look for a change in the SETBP1 gene. Efforts are currently underway to expand access to the SGS Biorepository beyond the United States for children and families around the world. Parents and caregivers can sign up to donate samples by first enrolling their child in the SGS Global Patient Registry. The Patient Registry is a secure online portal and database that collects and stores health information about children with SGS. The link and instructions on how to enroll can be found on our website. By joining the registry, we are able to link additional de-identified medical information about each registry participant to their blood sample in the biorepository. This allows researchers to make more detailed conclusions about SGS from their findings. Once enrolled in the registry, you may contact our team via email to indicate your interest to volunteer samples and fill out a study participation questionnaire in the portal. From there, our research coordinator will reach out to organize the blood sample collection, which can be performed in two ways: either having blood drawn at your local doctor's office during a regularly scheduled appointment, or having blood drawn by a traveling phlebotomist at your home. The SGS Foundation asks for a blood sample from a child with SGS and a parent or sibling of the same sex for comparison. There is no cost to participate in the SGS Biorepository, nor to have a blood draw performed at your home. Once the blood sample is collected, it is sent to the biorepository to be stored and made available to researchers around the world. There are a number of research studies that are currently using samples from the SGS Biorepository. The projects use the cells to better understand how SGS affects the immune system, lungs, the brain, and how SGS may increase the risk for cancer. By donating blood samples and contributing your child's health information to the growing registry, you join the mission to accelerate research and develop new treatments for children with SGS. Each child with SGS leaves a lasting legacy and impact on those around them. Through their experiences, we will gain a deeper understanding and establish a higher standard of care, not only to hopefully benefit your own child, but also to improve outcomes for children born with SGS in the future.